Calls to action, or CTAs, are an integral part of converting your visitors into leads and your leads into customers. But crafting and implementing calls to action is tough. Testing your messaging, targeting different calls to action to different audiences, and measuring what's working requires a lot of people and has a lot of moving parts. But with HubSpot, you can build custom calls to action that look great, are targeted to the individual user, and drive conversions on your website. Creating CTAs in HubSpot starts with choosing the right type of call to action for your website. Do you want one static CTA that everyone sees? Or do you want your call to action to use a different message based on who sees it? Unique to HubSpot are smart calls to action. When a visitor arrives at your website and converts into a lead, you can then start targeting them with specific messages across your website that are more likely to resonate with them. Let's look at an example. When a lead first sees this call to action on our homepage, it's encouraging them to download a buyer's guide. But once they've downloaded that guide, why would we keep showing them the same call to action? With HubSpot, you don't have to. On any subsequent visits to my homepage, we'll instead show them a call to action that pushes them to request a demo. With HubSpot hosted calls to action, I can tailor the experience for each lead on every part of my website to help move them to the next stage in the buying process. You might think that this kind of granular targeting would be hard to set up, but with HubSpot, it's easy. In fact, I can do everything right inside of the call to action tool in HubSpot. I can adjust button style, size, font, color, and text. If I already have an image or banner I want to use as my call to action, I can easily upload it. Then it's as easy as targeting the different variations of call to action to the different segments I have set up in HubSpot. Those segments can be based on any detail: what someone has already downloaded, where they are in my funnel, or other specific things I know about them. Once I've built my CTAs, I can leverage them throughout the HubSpot product. Calls to action live in the Content tab in HubSpot, but I can implement them into my blog, email, landing pages, and site pages without ever leaving those tools. It's also easy to A/B test calls to action with HubSpot Enterprise. Once I've set up my CTAs with HubSpot Enterprise, the test will try each CTA out to a small portion of my viewers within a certain time frame, and whichever CTA generates more conversions will be used for the rest of my viewers. That way, you'll always know that you're getting the most out of your calls to action. CTAs are only one part of inbound marketing, and one of the many integrated tools in HubSpot that make it easy to create marketing people love. I can attract new visitors with blog posts, social media, and SEO tools. I can convert leads with landing pages and calls to action. I can nurture leads using email and workflows. And I can pass them along to my CRM system with detailed lead intelligence for my sales team. To learn more about HubSpot's call to action tool and how inbound marketing can work for you, click on the link at the end of the video.